Ito na, final day. Grand day ng Miss Universe 2025 here in Bangkok, Thailand. Ano ba? Yan. Pogi ba? Yan. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa front stage. Ito na yung final day, grand day ng MU 2025 here in Bangkok, Thailand. Sino kaya ang mananalo, ang tatangaling reyna ng kagandahan sa buong mundo? Yan. So bago na naman ang seating arrangement. Okay, so lahat ng mga national directors ay dito may sa bandang harapan at ayon sa information sa amin para sa mga national directors, kung sino man yung mananalo, pwedeng umakyat sa stage at magpa-picture sa mananalo ng mga reynas. Yan. So sana makapasok pa rin tayo sa New Zealand. Kahit papaano sana makapasok man lang, kahit man lang sana sa top 30. Hindi naman tayo nagkagad ng malaki, pero kung ipagkakalob ng Diyos, hindi mas maganda, di ba? Na manalo, yes. Pero sa dami nilang nagkagandahan at talagang deserving manalo, mahirap masabi ko sino. Yeah. Okay, nagkakagulo na rito. Mga Thailand supporters. Dito na. Wala tayong laban dito. Dalawa lang ang rito, New Zealand. Yeah. So anyway, so good. Let's play. Okay, shout out to Vince Sitior. Thank you for my outfit for today. Itong tuxedo. Thank you, Vince Sitior. Ito na, final day. Dami ng tao, grabe. Sa labas, nagkakagulo na. Okay, kung sino man yung mananalo ngayon, tatangaling Miss Universe 2025, ngayong 74th Miss Universe dito sa Thailand. Well, meant to be on. Sa dami ng mga nagagandahang candidates sa buong mundo, isa lang talaga yung magiging tatanghaling reyna, no, sa buong mundo. So, kung sino man siya, nawa panatilihin niya yung kanyang advocacy, gawin niyang mabuti at tuparin niya yon. So hindi madali ang maging isang Miss Universe o isang reyna, no, sa tanghalan ng pageantry. So yeah, and then advance congratulations sa bumubuo ng Miss Universe organization. Kahapon nandun kami sa headquarters ng Miss Universe dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. Karoon kami ng meeting and let's hope for the best. And then next year sa Puerto Rico po tayo. Doon po gagawin ng Miss Universe 2026 o 75th Miss Universe sa Puerto Rico. So after nito, bukas, last day namin dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. And mamimili ng konting pasalubong. And then back home sa Auckland, New Zealand sa Sunday. At ang arrival namin is sa Monday. So good luck to Abby Sturgeon, ang ating Miss Universe New Zealand. Abby, good luck to you. May God bless you. Just play for it. Bring it on. Enjoy. And yeah. And then sa ating kaibigan, kila Voltaire and Jonas ng National Directors ng Miss Universe Philippines. Nagkausap kami kanina. Good luck din sa amin. And hindi rin nila alam kung sino mananalo. Medyo nakabado din sila. Siyempre, maraming Pilipino ang umaasa na makuha ni Atisa Manalo ang corona. So hindi natin alam kung sino talaga. Nakakaalam lang yan ng Diyos kung sino talaga ang karapat-dapat. Siguro yung mananalo yun yung may ginintuang puso at totoong tao, siyempre, at may magandang advokasya. Okay? Shout out to Vince CTR. Thank you for my outfit. Itong tuxedo na to, si Vince CTR po ang lumikha nitong aking kasuotan ngayon. Thank you, Vince CTR. Shout out. Yes. Okay. Nandito si Ana, ang ating Miss Universe last year candidate. Ayun, rumarampa.
Hello everyone.
Hindi ako naka-live. Recording ako. Ayan. Okay. Shout out everyone.
Tú ves, ahora es José que está botando todo. Vamos a echarle el ojo. Se le viene hasta el piso. No se toquen. Fuera.
Lahat ng media, yan, press. Lahat ng press nandito, media. Yan, cameramans around. Ito na, start na! Woo! Ingin na rito!
Beautiful kingdom of Thailand! Please give it up once more for the incredible Jeff Satur, everybody! Look at those cheekbones, come on, Jeff. And how about it for our 120 Miss Universe delegates, all dressed by Miriam Grandmont, inspired by the twinkle of the sun. This is unbelievable. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we start, I want to acknowledge the simple fact I'm a guest in your country. You have been so kind and hospitable to me. I feel I can only do the same. I've seen how much admiration your Queen Mother has received since her passing, and I just want to communicate my respect, sympathies, and love from myself and all who are here working on the pageant this evening. I'd also extend our sympathies to our friends, brothers and sisters. And ladies and gentlemen, you can still keep voting for your favorites. That brings us to a record. 30 contenders vying for the ultimate honor, the Miss Universe crown.
Well done! How do you feel? Good.
You did really well.
I know I tried my best.
Oh yes, you did. You're so proud.
Congratulations, Abby. We love you.
Thank you very much. I love you guys. I'm gonna start crying.
Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. You look so pretty. So pretty. Okay, that's okay. That's all right. You did really well. You made New Zealand proud. You did really well.
Grabe, binubuo ng mga tao dito, yung Mexico, yung mga followers and supporters ng Mexico. Binubuo ng mga tao. Ayan naman kasi ang result. Hindi ka tanggap-tanggap. Grabe.